Down the line, you meet somebody, you might see them again. And they're going to remember you. You build those relationships. I did the same thing with Warren Buffett. Didn't know he was Warren Buffett. You know, guys, you know, I'm sitting in the room with Donald Trump, Robert Kiyosaki, and I'm thinking, these are the guys. You know, and he told me, he said, man, look, this old guy over here, he makes $1 million just touching a computer. And I've been talking to this guy the whole time. You know, and I'm like, wow, you never know who you might be sitting next to or who you might meet. So when you get into a room, you got to take advantage of networking, just having an open conversation, meeting somebody, telling them your name, telling them where you're from, telling them what business you're in, you know, tell them whatever you're involved in. Because that person might know somebody, say, hey, you know, you into, okay, I could hook you up with, then you're like, oh, okay, yeah, this is my guy from over here. That's what building relationships is about, the networking. And that's the first part of business, being an entrepreneur. Because you might not have the money to start the business, even though you're an entrepreneur, you got the idea. That's how people say they started a business with no money. They had the idea, but then they went to somebody and networked with the person that had the money.